food and drink.
Bake. Can you help me bake a cake? I need someone to mix the flour and sugar.
Barbecue. We're having barbecue in the garden this Saturday. Can you bring burgers?
Barbecue. We usually barbecue vegetables like corn and peppers too.
Bean. Beans are good for you. They have lots of protein.
Biscuit. I had a cup of tea and a biscuit after school yesterday.
Bitter. This black coffee is too bitter for me. Do you have some sugar?
Boil. My grandma boils potatoes for 20 minutes to make mashed potatoes.
Boiled. I usually have boiled eggs for breakfast because they're quick to make.
Bottle. Can you buy a bottle of milk from the shop on your way home?
Bowl. I put my cereal in a big bowl and pour milk over it.
Box. Can you open this box of pasta? I need to cook some for dinner.
Bread. My dad buys fresh bread from the bakery every Friday.
Break. We had a 15-minute break at school to eat snacks at the canteen.
Breakfast. What did you have for breakfast today? I had toast and jam.
Broccoli. You should eat broccoli because it's good for your health.
Bunch. There's a bunch of bananas on the kitchen table. Help yourself.
Burger. I ordered a beef burger and chips at the cafe for lunch.
Butter. Can you spread some butter on my toast, please?
Cabbage. My grandma makes soup with cabbage and carrots. It's very tasty.
Cafe. The cafe down the street sells delicious cake and hot chocolate.
Cafeteria. Students eat lunch in the school cafeteria from 12:30 to 1:30.
Cake. Do you want a piece of cake? I baked it this morning.
Can.
There's a can of beans in the cupboard if you need something quick to eat.
Canteen. The factory has a canteen where workers can buy cheap meals.
Carrot. I like eating raw carrots, so I always have them at lunch.
Cereal. What's your favorite cereal? Mine is the one with chocolate pieces.
Cheese. Mum, can you put more cheese in my sandwich?
Chef. The chef at the new restaurant makes the best pasta I've ever tasted.
Chicken. We're having roasted chicken and potatoes for dinner tonight.
Chili. Do you want some chili? I can add extra cheese on top.
Chips. The chips were too salty, so I drank a lot of water with them.
Chocolate. She keeps a bar of chocolate in my bag for when I'm hungry.
Coconut. Is this drink made with coconut milk? I can't drink cow's milk.
Coffee. If you don't like strong coffee, you can add milk and a little sugar.
Cola. Can I have cola with my fish and chips, please?
Cook. The cook at the hotel prepares breakfast for 100 people every day.
Cook. Do you know how to cook rice? I always burn it.
Cooker. The cooker stopped working yesterday, so we ordered takeaway for dinner.
Corn. We barbecued corn on the cob at the picnic. It was sweet.
Cream. The cake has cream and strawberries on top. It looks amazing.
Cucumber. I have slices of cucumber in my lunchbox. Would you like some?
Curry. I don't like spicy food, so I ask for mild curry at restaurants.
Cut. Be careful with the knife when you cut the bread. Don't hurt yourself.
Delicious. This cake is delicious. Did you bake it yourself?
Dessert. The restaurant has a lot of desserts. My favorite is apple pie.
Diet. Go on diet. My dad is on a diet, so he eats lots of vegetables and no sugar.
Dinner. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m., but we had it earlier tonight.
Dish. The chef made a new dish with salmon and broccoli. It's very tasty.
Drink. Do you want to drink tea or coffee? I've got both.
Drink. Can I have a cold drink, please? It's very hot today.
Duck. My uncle cooked roast duck for my aunt's birthday dinner. It was very juicy.
Eat. Don't eat too many sweets. They are not good for your teeth.
Flavor. This mango has a sweet, tropical flavor that reminds me of summer.
Flour. Flour, eggs, and water are some of the ingredients to make bread.
Fork. Can you pass me a fork? I want to eat this salad.
French fries. My little brother dips his French fries in ketchup every time.
Fresh. My grandma buys fresh tomatoes from the market every Saturday.
Fridge. There's some leftover pizza in the fridge if you're hungry.
Fried. Fried chicken is tasty, but we don't eat it very often because it's oily.
Fruit juice. I drink orange fruit juice with my breakfast to get vitamin C.
Fry. Be careful not to fry the fish for too long, it will get dry and burnt.
Frying pan. Can you hand me the frying pan? I need to fry the vegetables.
Garlic. I don't like the smell of garlic, but it's nice when it's cooked.
Glass. Can you pour me a cold glass of lemonade? It's very hot today.
Grape. I put some grapes in my lunchbox to eat with my sandwich.
Grill. We use the grill in the garden to cook burgers and sausages in summer.
Grill. My mom likes to grill chicken breasts because it's a healthy way to cook.
Grilled. I had grilled salmon and rice for dinner last night. It was delicious.
Herbs. Let's add some fresh herbs to the salad to give it more flavor.
Honey. I put a spoonful of honey in my tea instead of sugar.
Hot. Come and eat while the food's still hot.
Hungry. Can we stop for a snack? The kids are getting hungry.